Alright, what is up, YouTube? We are back. We're here at a BMW dealership about 20-30 minutes from my house. I was inside already. I got permission, but I didn't really want to film inside because there's customers and paperwork and all that stuff. So we're outside now. We're gonna take some photos of all these pretty nice ass Beamers, I'm not gonna lie. So got some already. Let's get to it. Let's see. Probably should put my ND filter on, but I think we'll be all right. All right, this M4 here is pretty sick. Maybe I should put the ND filter on. Let's see. That's better. I mean, having a fast shutter speed isn't bad in this situation. Get the front bonnet, as some people say in different countries. Dirty ass wheels. Let's see the other one's cleaner. This one's just as bad. Alright, CPL filter? Is that gonna work today? CPL filter always works. All these are like the same though. It's inside and all of them look the same on the inside. I love it though. There, take some on the back. A little chilly today, it's like 40 degrees. Not horrible, but my hands are fucking cold. Let's see. Those taillights are pretty badass. How higher am I? I had to put the ND filter on to help. Let's see. This side of the M4. Lime green. Now I gotta ISO at 100. Probably get farther back. Let me put my ND filter on. Oh, that is the money shot right there, man. That looks good. Seats are pretty badass too. You got the seats. I feel like there's not that many cool cars here. I'm not gonna lie. I was expecting some fancy shit, but I don't see much. Take one like this. The color just feels so off. I don't know. Maybe it's me. For competition. All right, let's go walk, see what we find. SUVs. Take through this baby blue. This is a nice ass color. I've always liked shots like this. See what that does. Brown seats are pretty nice. Got a song stuck in my head, lovely. Damn, I wish the seats had like BMW or something on them. Alright, let's go head off to another part of the dealership.